minority in parliament a press conference na omo de nsem pinu ade tudwa mehu se hu nsenka e pinu a eko manfo kan ho asem ebinumu chese ebinumu ne wo nya adwene ebiso keka nsem pinu afa ho but matna se etie kakra na I believe say amemu a kabima minka bi ewu mu no ehia se yenya effective minority anase edomkuma a wono mo tie kire a wo betumi aka aban no tuja kakra na aban no tumi atu anamon se de ese na fata nti wono mo se holding government to account na wono a asase na ase binum ho a ye di minority fo na tem edadom ko gina ho ye no sebe wono mo de na omko ye concert sem na omko ye ni ade nyina no you see wono ma bebre wo mu a se wo te waso watie wo mu a utimi say there are issues o ma raise here is a matter of concern and no ma ye legitimate as o man esi etimi etu ho anamo ana ase etimi dwene ho. Join your Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. Eti Alexander Kwamena Afenyo-Markin a odi wo mu anim on the press conference no. There are issues we omo kan ya. I agree with them. The other ones of course I normal politics and also beni na mu akakra. But am I trash everything that the minority was saying at the press conference? Enise ye ka said you omo kan nyina sebe ye wura entino me emfa nyasem because there are issues omo raise here me ensem a ehuhia pa e mo man no ye di kan ba ko a me hwe ya me hu se ehuhia se aban tenaso no wotie because sometimes ebi na aban etwa mu no ye ya aso den wo ka asem a ye ntie ono Afenyo-Markin na ban Afenyo-Markin na ban aso den na wo ka wo mu ntie enti wo mu asase na press conference wo ko ye nsehunu no wo ko ye ne ade no. There are issues we will raise here ehuhia sa aban hwe ne ye and it will be in their own favor and I say it will be for their own good. Number 1 me piki wo mu ade ba ko ehu bia pa sa anti LGBTQ no class no bill no na mama kai Sam George the pressure ahode a wodi shemu na wodi pia ban dada no yanyintum ekoto na ado table so ase sebe onhunu kra yan sign de ho akokoasa ene ya beduru de yaduri na no asa ko pie parliament yenhu ne yeye ase wo mo de ahye wo na ase ne yetia so this is how big yegusu edi san komo no but the pressure na Sam George didi ade yachi osofo Sam George eni asofo bia na ewo Ghana ha kromu a na wo mo taachire says anti LGBTQ+ no yen sign sabre mekai na nado ni onya home kra akwa kokosi sen na no yesi akọ committee level na committee hwese de na yesi chese uka ensem no nwuran uhu de ompeso omka sebe imprediasa entumuntu mra na ye de bebra no akosi sen. This is a legitimate issue minority na raise ya esa ban na niko because how dey we wo se mu didi agora ohun ebe affect mu ankasa mu nsem a mu kan in opposition before coming to government. Kai Sam George ensem o kan de fa we hu enti munyama mu nan momoto. These are one of the concerns we raise on press conference who here about LGBTQ bill no classes aka ho. Now on unemployment issue omo kan ho asem we enye hurobo dasem and we all know these issues. Enra na me say anesi fu bi 130 something ye do omo ko amai bi so akoye adwuma Caribbean countries bi akoye adwuma. It means the unemployment issues, still, you how As of the end of 2024, near a 3.6% unemployment rate. No. Remwa. A woman say kakrebi, a duma kakrebi ni adibi fia bia be pie mwa. You funi bia. But the problem right now, no, unemployment, no, a big issue. 15 to 24% nano statistics in a year Ghana Statistical Service or no ankasa omoye nhwemu omode bae na kire se ehu ye youth no dodo no a ye obi kura wo hodo mo a kire se omu ni employment bia ono so kura school a wonim ono so training bia wonim about 1.3 million a legitimate concern a issue a ese eti ani hwe. So don't trust everything as a press conference from koye no fast we di so e na omu ye ayi e won se no ma bi wo ho a omu de politics de but ye won no bi wo mu a e hu hia pa and the major ones e two issues here maka ho asemi. It is Excellency John Dramani Mahama so utie bi dia all the messages omu pass it through the press conference no and get trash. We shouldn't treat all as political. Na yam from one ba because ebe bo o man nankasa. Yen yankasa preserving our culture, a tradition. Na sanso aboa yen unemployment issue ye o mu ka ho asemi. It will be credit to this government nankasa so it me provide the employment in here. And that's the duty of the minority to talk about issues so mu fin say ebe hadwene. Now, as for certificate of urgency and buying the bill by permanent fan film and one fan code, those things na political now Afenyo-Markin no why no I to say comedy concert and not me because about that happen a lot over 50 of bill among the fair money and the idea among the core true certificate of urgency na nyansem getwa COVID the year among the by emergency loan by true certificate of urgency nim send the emergency issue. Levy no money ada ye amode be ba bebre na dada we levy sahudo bebre amode be gu ye ko mu ni nyina bi fifa we mu a certificate of urgency ye na mu a na ye tie ne said ye pa kire nyina ne se se wo de mra bi ko parliament so ko ye nsa kire bi wo mra mu wo parliament be ye mra no nsa kire wo Ghana ha se etimi fa processes bi mu even crazy etimi gazette any ade na ye be publish 14 days ni ade nti ye bre no ebedi ansa na ya ba be introduce e wo parliament ama na di dwuma ni ade no eno no mo tra sa ade ni nyina because ade ni hu hia ntemti say the covid by na ko ye say ade aye hu aye nti ye ma ni nkodi 14 days ya kase ye gazette ye ni say ni ye afamu fa ni ye ba mra hye bedwafie e to da bi kura adako na yetimi gina so ye first reading ye to aso na yetimi age atum tentem eno na ye say ye peni putupuru ye peni tentem de no certificate of urgency no emra bebre wo ho a Afenyo-Markin under MPP na nado dan kwaku fado mo de famu ko bebre enti that one no eni nyina so bia se ni yem pene ni ye sei ade bi ehu hia Ghana fo efi se ehu hia so mo de ko ntem no eso mutimi ye ne ntem. Another one ni accountability dia no mo kan ha mani I agree sa ban bi eso o account. But a Japan mesa abeka say obia he doesn't need to account obia hia so account to obia anye say enti call your own people to order on accountability. Afenyo-Markin one kasa on crofo no when it comes to accountability nanu de ya nkrofo edi dwuma NSS ne other places ya yesi sika fa omu nsem ne ade ya empanifo so omu pan ya omu twe omu kobai. The same minority ebegina was a political persecution. Amanyo sem ni yasha that they tata sankrofo no. And so they are being called to account. And when it comes to accountability kura dia. Na ni kura se mo ye ne tsa se de mo pa accountability chen wo bia no. E ho no mo side no na ya na ye politics no ba no. Kind of react de ye ba yi. Aye kan ho asem by June 2025 no akoda Interpol red notice so and na mu abedu sa abre kro hye ICE fo okukumu 78 charges ya wo mo de bo ni nyina no edu ho no mumu nsem a mo kan se akoye political persecution e ka mo nkwa kra ma ne ma enti what locals na wo se wo de be accountability asem zizi eno de mo ntwetwe break kakra na mo nto mo bo ase kwa bre no du na mo ka beba ase sia no amoka no atente huo pia moto te sia na amoka no yes you have the right to say it accountability munia but atente huo pia moto mo ankasa when people are being called to account former appointees am say political persecution so what locals and amugina so and they call it for accountability. Let's be serious. Let's be serious. In terms of the minority, no press conference, no, and no maybe we move a kama, a bebo mine, maybe we are a politics, and yabomu edi achero no. Tiamu yanse minority no, a serious. Na beba adiebia na maka wanse ma it seems like MPP nya na adwenzo obezu bibi. Come on! Nhyira.